Withdrawing money from your DAZN account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your DAZN account. Access the DAZN website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select payment options. In the account settings menu, look for the payment or billing section. Here, you will find details about your payment methods and any available balance. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. Find the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw, transfer, or something similar. Click on this option to begin the withdrawal process. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details if they are not already saved. After entering the required information, review it for accuracy and confirm the withdrawal request. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear, as processing times may vary.